Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different artifacts. Let's begin with the first one. You can see we are making different ice cream patterns as apparent on your screens. You just have to make use of different geometrical shapes like the circle, triangle, rectangle and some of the lines or some of the creases, and you would be able to make this one. This is very simple and it's very easy. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make a shape that's similar to the drop of the water. It's actually going to present a peach. You just have to make it and then fill it with the pink color and the green one for the leaves. It's very simple and best suitable for the small kids. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, we are taking this marker, and as apparent on your screens, you can see how we are creating some of the creases and we are creating a rectangular shape. It's going to represent an ice cream that you have taken already a bite of, which it is so cool and so easy. Fill it with any color of your own choice. We will now move towards our another activity. First, you just have to write the number 2. After that, you just have to join all the lines one after the another as apparent on your screens. Once you're done with it, you just have to make the slice of the watermelon from this side. Let's move further towards another activity. First, you just have to make this round shape. Over the round shape, you just have to make some of the C shapes as shown here. It's going to represent a pumpkin. This is very easy and very cool. Definitely give this one a try. Add some of the facial features like the eyes, tongue, and you can see how this turns to be. Let's move further towards our another activity. First, you just have to make the 6 circles. After that, you just have to fill them with the multiple colors as apparent on your screens. These will represent the different types of the fruits like the watermelon, apple, and then the lemon, and also a pineapple. After that, a kiwi. And once you're done with it, you have to make, at last but not the least, a pomegranate. Let's move further towards another activity. Here you just have to make the different geometrical shapes. Like first you just have to make a triangle, a rectangle, after that another rectangle but in the vertical direction. After that you just have to add the rest of the features. This looks so good and so easy. Let's now move further towards another activity. For this one, you just have to make a round shape like similar to that of a apple, and after that you just have to erase it. Now with the help of the crayon, you just have to follow the trace out of the directions that you have already erased, and then you would be able to give it a 3D effect by just coloring it properly. This requires all of your patience and some of your coloring skills. We will now try to make a slice of the watermelon. For that you just have to make a triangular shape and you just have to make the seeds that are brown in color. Once you are done with this one, you just have to make a 3D type of a look. You have to create some more rectangles from one side and then fill it with some of the bright colors. It looks so good and so nice. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further towards another activity. For this one, you just have to write down the number 3, and after that you just have to fill it from both the sides. Once you're done with it, you just have to make the tomato type of the petals from the upper portion and then fill it with some colors. It looks so cute and so easy. Let's now move towards our another activity. For that one, you just have to write down some of the different numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Like here, for the 1, we have converted it into the ice cream. For the 2, we have made a watermelon. For the 3, we have made a hat. For the 4, we have made an umbrella. And for the 5, we have already made a juice shake. And for the 6, pineapple. And after that, 7 knickers. And the 8 one for the goggles. And for the 9, it's the fan. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.